Hey guys, welcome back to the Sports Republic. We are back with our second team. We are doing the IPL preview. We are rating these teams on four different parameters. That is the Indian core, their overseas balance, their team balance, and their leadership group. Like the last video we did on CSK, now we're going to be rating the mighty Delhi Capitals, which is my team. Uh,
Mighty.
la- Yes, mighty Delhi Capitals because they're winning their first trophy this year. So, with that confidence, I'm going to lower my confidence now and go to Vignesh. Vignesh, rate, rate them for their first parameter, that is Indian core. What rating would you give their Indian core?
DC's Indian core is going to be the core of the decade in the sense if they retain Iyer, Shaw, and Pant, of course. So
Yeah,
that is the team of the decade. DC can be if they can, win the title. With that
yeah.
at mind, Akshar Patel, Ashwin, Avesh Khan. The emergence of Avesh Khan has given DC a whole together new look. A veteran Shikhar Dhawan at one end of the corner. So a strong 8.5 for DC for the Indian core.
Because
यस विघ्नेश के साथ हम एग्री करते हुए 8.5 फॉर इंडियन कोर, क्योंकि जैसे विघ्नेश ने बोला यार कि ये टीम इंडियन टीम के अराउंड बनी है, इंडियन प्लेयर्स के अराउंड बनी है। और यहाँ पर
yeah,
तुम देख सकते हो दिस टीम कैन अफोर्ड टू नॉट प्ले 4 ओवरसीज रादर। ये टीम वो चीज अफोर्ड कर सकती है अगर उनको वो चाहे
sure,
तो। सो दैट्स व्हाई
sure.
8.5 थोड़ा सा, अगर 0.5 में अगर किसे काटा हो तो शायद श्रेयस अय्यर वापस इंजरी से बाहर आ रहा है, और थोड़ा सा इनएक्सपीरियंस अगर मैं सोचूं तो। अदरवाइज
Yeah.
8.5 मैं ज्यादा देना चाहूंगा, लेकिन जस्ट बीइंग कंजर्वेटिव 8.5।
Yeah, तो मैं ज्यादा दे देता हूँ. I'm going to give 9. Of course, I'm looking at it from a Delhi tainted classes. Of course, I'm going to give a little bit more than you guys, but of course, the same reasons. I think the core is the future. Dhawan is probably in the form of his life. Iyer, Shaw, Pant. I mean, that is wow. Avesh Khan, we saw, in the first phase, he was bowling Yorkers at will. AB de Villiers couldn't get him away. I just want to mention him as well. You have Ravichandran Ashwin, you have Akshar Patel. So I mean, Akshar Patel is somebody who's very difficult to get off. More than 6-7 runs and over. So yeah, fantastic core for them. I'm going to give them a 9. Moving on, Vignesh, the next parameter I want you to rate them is the overseas four. How would you
Yes.
rate them? Yeah.
Overseas score is where I might probably hurt Shashank. I'm going with a low 7 for the reason the quality that Vikas already mentioned, that they can afford to go in with around 8 to 9 Indian players.
Yeah.
It speaks volumes about their Indian quality, but at the same time it speaks even about their overseas strength. If not for Rabada firing, he's the standout overseas player in Delhi. Hetmeyer, he has shown flashes of brilliance, but there has not
Sure.
been a consistent player to play alongside Rabada with overseas strength. So that is a bit
Correct.
dicey, hence a 7 for the overseas strength.
Because
यस अगेन विघ्नेश के साथ मैं जाऊंगा, 7 मैं भी दूंगा। इसके पीछे मतलब बेसिक रीजंस ये है कि एक तो कगिसो रबाडा का फॉर्म थोड़ा सा डाइसी है, और कगिसो रबाडा जैसे विघ्नेश ने बोला कि उनका स्टैंड आउट प्लेयर है। और उनके साथ साथ जो है ना कि शिमरन हेटमायर, आई स्टिल फील के मुझे पता नहीं, उस बंदे पर बहुत ज्यादा भरोसा आता नहीं है। एंड दे डोंट हैव दे हैव स्टीव स्मिथ, लेकिन वो भी ऊपर रहता है, ठीक है। सो प्लेसेस फिल करने के लिए उनके पास जगह थोड़ी सी कम नजर आती है मेरे को। और ऑनरिक
yeah,
नोकिया एक थोड़ा सा एक प्लस हो सकता है, अदरवाइज आई डोंट
X
रियली
factor.
सी कि बहुत ज्यादा तगड़ा उनका ओवरसीज स्कोर है। सो फॉर मी इट्स 7।
Yeah, I'm going to actually give them an 8, and I'm not just saying it's because I'm a DC fan. I think Stoinis has won big games for Delhi by himself, and he has the capability to do that. So Delhi for me is so Stoinis for me is a big reason why I'm going with 8. Hatemeyer at the start of the season and for West Indies we've seen he's in fantastic form. He can hit the big ones now very easily. Rabada, I think फॉर्म के लिए तुम लोग उसको दे रहे थे, but he's back in the UAE where he picked up 30 wickets in the last season.
Yeah.
So yeah, I am going off that and sort of considering that. And Nokia also played in UAE, was fantastic. Was the find of the season for me in terms of fast bowlers that year, especially in the IPL. So yeah, that's an 8 for me. Moving on, Vignesh, for the team balance of Delhi Capitals, how much would you rate them?
Delhi Capitals starting 11 is insane, man. It is everyone's envy. If you look at the top five, Dhawan, Shaw, Iyer, Hetmeyer, Pant coming in at 5, Stoinis and Aksar, Ashwin, Rabada. So they bat deep. If they have their first choice 11 available, I'll go with 8.5 if their core 11 is intact right through.
Because
for me it's 8. मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा लोअर मिडिल ऑर्डर में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है. थोड़ा सा अनसर्टेनिटी है वहां पे. Otherwise they have a good starting. They have a good top order. Bowling भी more or less sorted है with Avesh Khan being an addition. और उसके हिसाब से I think 8 और एक काम सिर्फ इसी के लिए मिडिल ऑर्डर के लिए.
Right. I also have the same feelings. I'm also going with an 8. I am also with Vikas on that. Lower and middle order has been a problem for Delhi Capitals for the last 2 years also. Going with Hetmeyer, the position of Hetmeyer, they're not sure about where he's going to play. He's a very floating player. They don't know where to play him. Same with Stoinis. Aksar bats at 7 for them. So, I mean, that's not a great position for Aksar to come in terms of modern T20 cricket is concerned. So, yeah, for me, the team balance is a little less, but it's nonetheless, it's a team where, the batsmen are very, very batsman-like and play like batsman-like, and the bowlers are very bowlers and bowlers. There's a very little mixture between it. Like the other teams have a lot of all-rounders who play a part, and Delhi Capitals don't have such team balance. So I'm going with an 8. The last parameter is the leadership group of the Delhi Capitals. Vignesh, what do you want to rate them?
DC's leadership at present is quite dicey in the sense that they have a captain who has taken them to successful playoff, but at the same time they have a captain who has taken them to the first position in absence of a very successful captain. So there are 2 power centers at present. To top it off, they have Ricky Ponting watching over their shoulders. If they all come in unison, nothing like it. But there might be friction, but I hope there isn't for the side that they are, for the cheer that they bring in. I'm going with a skeptical 8, but I'm hoping for good things from the leadership group.
Because what do you think about the leadership
group? Delhi Capitals, I think मेरे लिए Delhi Capitals का कुछ problem है, तो वो leadership group में है. For me, I think there is a lot of confusion there. Iyer वहाँ पर था, then you came up with Pant and
you came up with Pant. He was injured, right?
He was injured, but yeah, again, मैं बोल रहा हूँ 2 season में काफी confusion वहाँ पर नजर आया. And Pant, मतलब I know you won't really agree, but मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा सा अभी immature-ish वहाँ पर captaincy मेरे को personally लगती है, तो I'll go with 7 at leadership group.
Right. Again, I love Pant's captaincy. Honestly, whatever I've seen of him, what 7-8 games. I've actually really enjoyed his captaincy. The first game, he was a little nervous. And from the second game, he just felt in his element and he was there, looked like that he has been leading the side for a long time. And the best thing is, Pant is a sort of person that the leader, the group would respect. He is that sort of a guy. So I am also going with the 7 only in terms of the inexperience that Pant has, and for exactly I'm taking into the account their past sort of mistakes in the sense that failing in in the most important stages, and sort of what happens with Delhi Capitals is they slow down a little at the last hurdle. So that is where I still want to see them overcome that, and that is why I'm going with a 7. With that, we have come to our average ratings because you have given them a 7.625, which is okay. I have gone with an average of 8, and Vignesh again has also come with an average of 8. So it's between 7.6 and 8. I think we are all on the same page over there, and our average rating comes to a 7.875, which if they win the IPL this year definitely goes up. That's it from us rating the Delhi Capitals from the Sports Republic. Watch out for the next episode, which is going to be on KKR. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.
Thank you.